Hi everyone! I'm Chelsea from Twinkle Crafts, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make these beautiful Christmas star decorations using just paper bags. To make this Christmas star decoration, you will need some paper bags. The size and colour of the paper bags is completely up to you. If you are using small paper bags, you will need between 8 and 12 to make a full star, whereas for larger paper bags, you only need about 8 as a maximum. You will also need glue. You can use any type of glue you wish, as you are just sticking paper to paper. We recommend quick drying glue, and if you are using a glue gun, please ask an adult to do this bit of the craft for you. You will also need scissors, a hole punch and some string. Place your first paper bag with the flat folded bottom of the bag facing towards you. We are going to apply glue to the paper bag. You will need plenty on the flattened bottom of the bag and then a strip running up the centre of each paper bag. Once you have applied your glue, place the next paper bag on top. Make sure the bag faces the same direction with the flattened bottom of the bag facing towards you. Once you have a stack of 3 paper bags, it is time to cut a design into the bags. You can draw the design first or freehand like me. Add a point to the top of the bags so your star has pointed edges. Then go down the side of the paper bag and snip away small shapes so there is a pattern in the centre of your star. Remember, the more you cut away, the more delicate your star will become, so be careful with your snips. Then glue another 3 paper bags onto your cut bags, just as you did before. Make sure to keep the bags in the same direction. I do this in batches of 3 paper bags as less layers are easier to cut through. This means I can be more careful and precise with my cutting. Once you have another 3 bags on top, turn the stack over so you can see the shapes you cut earlier and use them as a template to cut the same shapes from the new paper bags you just added. Repeat these 2 steps, gluing and then cutting the design until you have about 8 large paper bags or 12 small bags in a stack, all glued and snipped. Then it's time to unfurl your star. Turn your stack of bags on its side and pull apart the top and bottom bag to see your beautiful star take shape. If your bags do not fit or seem a bit stretched, you can always add more bags to the stack at this point. When you are happy with your star, fold the stack back together. Add some strong glue or double-sided sticky tape to the top bag in the stack. Then unfurl your star again and use the glue or tape to secure the open star design. Finally, use a hole punch to create a hole at the top of one of the points in your star and thread some string through this hole. Make sure to leave plenty of string at the top of your star, as these DIY Christmas decorations look great hanging from ceilings or in windows. Now it's time to find a place to hang your DIY Christmas papercraft ornament. These paper bag stars are beautiful DIY Christmas decorations. Keep trying out different cutting designs and make sure to share the results with us here at Twinkle Crafts. See you in your next craft project. Bye!